Hi everyone, welcome to Joe Lish. Today we're going to make a Waldorf salad. Alright, let's get started. I have 1 cup of diced apple here. This is a Granny Smith. I have 1 cup of diced celery. I have about a half a cup of sliced red seedless grapes. Go ahead and mix those together. Now I have about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now we're going to mix that all together. Great. I'm going to add some black pepper, freshly ground, to taste. Just a few grinds of that. A little bit of salt. Just a little dash of salt. Mix that in. And then about a 1/4 cup of nuts. Usually a Waldorf salad will use walnuts, but I'm using almonds. I'm making a California Waldorf salad. Add those in. All right. And there you have it, Waldorf salad. It's about as easy as that. All right, thanks everyone. And don't forget to mash the likes, subscribe, and check out our blog.